The drawing board. We should be able to stack a bunch of rubber bands on the cams now, which should make it shoot more powerfully. And then I'm also going to print out this dart. That's not going anywhere. So my goal for this project is to get this thing to shoot 100 feet. Okay. What the fuck? This thing doesn't shoot very straight. I wish it would just shoot straight, but it doesn't. Alright, let's go measure. "28 feet. So we went from 10 feet to basically 30 feet. And that's with this heavy ass metal dart. This thing weighs 18 grams. Now we just have to get it to shoot things straightly. Yes. Visualize, be the arrow. This is what I came up with. Instead of trying to learn about aerodynamics, we're just gonna try some stuff. We got some real sad looking darts. Psych. These suck. I'm gonna have to make different ones. Here's the new arrow. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. I put this insert in here so we can add weight by just screwing in a screw. I'm gonna test this dart with no weight on the front. Let's add more weight. That looked a little better. Let's add more weight. Nailed the door. Let's go. And we actually maxed out the tape measure, so the tape measure is 30 feet, and we only used 2 rubber bands. It's nearing final form. Added a little front grip up there. I should make this a Picatinny rail, but I think I'll just save that for next time. I like this little tactical grip. It's kind of cool, just a mini one. So we have the 1 rubber band. I'm gonna add 4 more. We got some real beef behind there now. Oh my god. Starting in 3, 2, 1. That was terrible. The cams are just not working when I add more rubber bands. Alright, let's try it one more time. Fully print in place, no support. Nice. I went back and made just a few tweaks. This is version 4.0. This is stock with no power added. Pretty good, but actually kind of mediocre. Alright, 2 rubber bands on each side. There we go. This is getting dangerous. We might want to put on eye protection. Let's do 3 rubber bands on each side. Oh god. The right post snapped on me when I put 3 rubber bands on there, so I went ahead and switched the plastic posts out with metal posts. It looks clean now. These are very solid. I also did the same thing to the cams. I might be cutting this a little close. I don't know about that. Here it is, the final glamour shot. Version 5. Lots more brass inserts, metal pieces. This is a very solid thing. I'm actually kind of proud of it. I can't really aim at the green screen anymore because there's a big ass truck in the way. I think someone is trying to compensate for something. I tried to make a target and I just ended up making a tapestry. I'll show you where the target is. Here is the target. Oh! Let's go! That actually flew pretty good. Like, depending on how quickly you pull the trigger determines how well it actually fires. Alright, time to add 4 rubber bands. The tension on this thing is actually getting kind of nuts. Like, pulling it back. That was accurate. 5 rubber bands. Oh my god. Oh. It's kind of funny. I actually have to use the grip to like load it. And I actually made a longer dart, so I'm going to try that now. Yep, that's what we needed. This was the old one and this one's the new one. So you can see the difference. Let's go. That's actually getting dangerous. That was my only longer arrow. I gotta print more of them. So I wanted to utilize these other 2 slots right here. So last night I made a clip. So clean. Oh yeah, isn't that just looking great? Kind of blocks using the foregrip all the way like this, but it makes it look way sicker. Alright, so I now have plenty of arrows, so even if each arrow breaks after 1 shot, we got 5 attempts. 5 arrows, 5 rubber bands. Let's try to shoot this thing 100 feet and not hurt anybody. That was definitely going 100 feet. Yeah, these are definitely 1 or 2 time use arrows for sure. I'm gonna open that door and try to shoot it another 30 feet that way because there's another shop over there. So I'm gonna shoot it through 2 shops. See if we can hit that back wall. We hit that back wall. Originally, we were shooting here to the door. That's 30 feet. I literally can't shoot it any further than this. Mission accomplished on that front. As you can see, I reprinted some of the pieces on the crossbow, and I got a new target to shoot at. So we're gonna see how many rubber bands it'll take in order to break this light bulb. Oh, this is getting surprisingly difficult to pull back. Yes. Oh shit. Guys, look, I invented a new taser. So goddamn bright. This guy really invented this in like the 1800s. So now you know it takes 14 or 16 rubber bands to shatter a light bulb. Now you guys know. Desecrate. $500 if you can hit it on the first shot. You're turning the chair. That's fucked up.